7 on Monday the 3rd of October. We're about to harvest our Carignan, which has been maturing away on the vines and ripening. Now it got to 14.2 degrees last week, so we imagine it's well over 14.5 now. And the flavours are lovely, so it's pretty much ready, spot on, ready to pick.
Watch the ferry boats and they'll get high against the blue ocean, against the moral sky.
Here we are in the La Roque vineyard. Still see some grapes. They've all been eaten by boar overnight. Fingers crossed for a good day's picking. So here we are on the very first morning of picking at Domaine of the Bee. This is our Carignan block. This is the Monday the 3rd of October, and things are looking good. Got a lovely crop of Carignan. Pretty decent yield for us. We've got about 20 pickers here, and we're filling a case every 5 vines or so, and the cases are 10 or 12 kilos. So far in this part of the vineyard, averaging a couple of kilos a vine, which is very good, much better than we've ever had before. So we're here just right at the top of the vineyard, picking the very top block, and I was a bit worried about wild boar attack. There's a lot of crop on this vineyard, but pretty much in the centre of the vineyard there's very, very little evidence that there's been any wild boar nibbling away. But here at the edge, if we look at this vine here, those bunches have been stripped by boar. Look at the vineyard, the vine next door. Those ones have been stripped by boar. What they do is they come and they just put their mouth over the whole bunch and then suck and just pull all the grapes off. But really, so far, it's only the edges of the vineyard. There's one there that's been maybe lost, a couple of 100 kilos on a vineyard where we're going to get, I would hope at best estimate, 3 tonnes. We're not too worried, that's the boar's share. It's just when they've eaten the whole vineyard that you need to really worry. So, nothing goes always according to plan, and on this day we've picked our lovely La Roque vineyard. In fact, we're about halfway through. We're just heading off with 1 truck full of cases. We find that the road to get here that we came under this morning, under the bridge, is now blocked because the guys are working on the surface, and we've been routed via some vineyards, and I'm a little bit worried that the load ahead of us is going to tip because it's quite rocky and bumpy. But hey, fingers crossed we'll get to the winery okay, and get these grapes into some barrels, and head back for the second lot in an hour or 2. All part of the fun.
With a sweet black smile and a beautiful mind and a champagne eyes. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take his broken wing, learn to fly. Oh yeah, you're only way.
The joy of improvisational winemaking.
Take your sunken eyes, learn to see.